2011 Ford F250 Superduty 6.7 liter diesel. Quite nice shape. The rim's got a little bit of clear coat peeling off. It's a Lariat, full load, leather. It's got nav, stereo system, sunroof. It's got 660,000 K on it. Even Adele's sad to hear it go. WeatherTech floor mats. Quite nice shape. There was a spot on here that's been patched up. There was rust underneath here that's covered. Tires are in really good shape. Whole front end was redone. New axles, bearings, everything. Tailgate's got lots of little rock chips on it. Could use a cover or something over top of that. It's got a gooseneck ball in it. A couple little scratches on this side. There's a couple spots that have been touched up there. Another one here. Another little guy there. Very nice clean truck for the kilometers. Runs and drives perfect. Really nice truck.